This is how you use the Dolce coffee machine. To use the machine, please make sure that the tank is full of water, the machine is connected, and the power is on. Then click on the switch on button on the machine and it will start blinking. Once the machine or the light is green, then you can use it. How to use it? Please make sure that you bring this one up. You take out the capsule tray. You insert your capsule inside. You put it back. You bring this section down. You select the desired drink and then you take it to the right or the red side.